Howard Wright is a maker of medical beds and stretchers. The purpose of our business is to make care easier and safer, and we do that through working closely with end users and making sure the products we develop achieve that purpose. My name is Bruce Moller, and my role is Chief Executive Officer. Howard Wright was founded by Howard Wright. He was approached by a nurse in the late 50s. She had been overseas and she'd seen a hospital bed, and she went to Howard Wright, who was well known for taking on projects. He had an engineering business which he ran from under his house. So he tackled that project, and that was the beginnings of Howard Wright. Most of our products are made from steel, so we bring the steel tube in and then we process that through laser tube cutters. We cut it and then we weld those steel tubes into sub-assemblies, and those sub-assemblies are then coated and then assembled into the finished product. Of course, there's lots of other things that go into the product, but that's the core element that we do. We have a number of CNC milling machines. We have welding robots for welding the sub-assemblies together. And in terms of the assembly, that's still a very human operation. We've got about 50 staff. About 10 of those are offshore, 5 in Australia and 5 in the UK. And the rest are in New Zealand, based out of Bell Block. In New Zealand and Australia and the UK, we sell direct to our customers, which are our hospitals. And elsewhere in the world, we use distributors. We've been successful with a number of contracts. We're on nearly every state contract in Australia. We're on the New Zealand state contract. In the UK, we're a key supplier to NHS Supply Chain, which is the procurement body for the NHS hospitals. We were one of the first companies to do electric stretchers. We're still one of the only companies offering a fully electric stretcher. It's been possible to have an international exporting business. We're well connected with air flights out of the province to get up to the international airport. Also now with the digital communications that have come through, particularly this year, there's absolutely no reason why you can't have an international exporting business based in Bell Block. It starts from creating something to actually making it and then marketing it. So all aspects of a business are under one roof. And we're also taking on some pretty big companies and being able to compete, and that's satisfying as well. So the province is humming because it's in our DNA. I don't think we let things get on top of us for too long. And there has been a few shocks here with dairy and with energy, but we're now reinventing ourselves with a lot of skills, and we're able to use those skills with the new opportunities in those sectors.